Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to remove all the likes you have given on Instagram, whether by mistake or simply because you don't want them to appear in your activity anymore. Let's get started. Open the Instagram app and tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Then tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and select your activity. Now tap on the first option that says Likes. Here, you will see all the posts you've liked, including photos, reels, and videos. If you want to remove the like from a specific post, just open it and tap the heart icon again to unlike it. But if you want to remove multiple likes at once, tap Select in the top right corner. Now choose all the posts you want to unlike and tap Unlike at the bottom of the screen. Tap Unlike again to confirm. And that's it. All selected likes will be removed from your account. Now you know how to remove all the likes you've given on Instagram quickly and easily.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.